Hi guys, my name's Nikki and we are doing Masterpiece Makers from Home with a kit from the library. But before we get started with our kit, let's jump into our book. The Starry Giraffe, written and illustrated by Andy Bergmann, published by Aladdin. The Starry Giraffe stumbled upon a plump apple tree. She was very hungry. The giraffe searched for the most delicious-looking apple and plucked it off. Just when she opened up to take a big bite, a little brown mouse popped out of his hole. "I'm very hungry," he squeaked, "but I am much too little to reach those delicious apples." "Here you go," said the giraffe. "Thank you," said the mouse as he moused back into his hole. The Starry Giraffe turned to find the second most delicious apple on the tree. She picked a round, rosy red one that smelled so good she could just about taste it. When she just about tasted it, a family of skunks scurried up. The giraffe presented them each with an apple. The excited skunk family jumped all about. All this apple picking made the Starry Giraffe quite tired. An old gray bunny thumped up. The giraffe gave him an apple. A raccoon followed. One apple for him. The snake got two. And a rhino carried one off in his lunchbox to eat later. The Starry Giraffe was hungrier than ever. Only one lonely apple remained on the tree. She looked around to see if anyone else might arrive. It was all quiet. The giraffe stretched up high and picked the last apple. Then she noticed a tiny inchworm staring up with a hungry face. Worms quite enjoy apples, so she gave him the final one. The giraffe's stomach rumbled. She felt tired and a little sad. After a few moments of rest, the Starry Giraffe stood up tall. She walked to the next tree and ate 27 apples. The end. All right, now that we are all finished reading our book, let's start our Masterpiece Makers art. So I'm going to open up my kit, and I have a tree, and it has the alphabet on it. I have some strips of green paper, a strip of brown paper, and the alphabet on little stickers. So fun. There's the rest of my alphabet. So what we're doing today is we're going to match our alphabet stickers to our tree. So just to get started, you have your alphabet stickers here. They're the little green circles. And you have every single letter of your alphabet. And then all of those alphabet letters are on your tree. So if you look at the very tip top of your tree, you will find the letter A. So you can stick your A sticker onto the A circle on your tree. And you will do that with every single alphabet letter. And this is great. We get to work on our finger strength and using just the tips of our fingers when we're peeling off those stickers, which is a very good skill to have. And then you are also recognizing sight. So you are matching your alphabet letters to the letter on the paper, which is awesome. So I will let you guys finish that, and I will show you how to make your apple art. So you have these strips of green paper. So I'm going to lay them down on my table. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they make a nice crisscross pattern. Then I'm going to have to reach over here really quick and grab my glue. So glue is the only other thing you'll need unless you have tape, which you can also use tape. And I'm going to find the very bottom piece of paper. And you can tell it's the bottom because it lifts up all the other pieces of paper when you pull on it. And I'm going to put glue on one end. And I'm going to stretch it all the way over to the other end of that same piece of paper and connect it. And then we are going to repeat that with each of the other pieces of paper, starting from the bottommost one and connecting it here right at the top. And we will do that 4 times in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I have the 3 done. You can see I have 1 strip left. So my last strip of paper here, I will connect it at the top. Now I have a nice green round shape. Here we go. Here we go. And now I have a brown piece of paper. So this is going to be our apple stem. So I'm just going to roll this. Ooh, and our ball rolled apart. That's okay. I'll show you how to put it back together. So I rolled my brown piece of paper. So it's a nice tube shape. And then I'm going to pinch the end of it and make it flat. So I can glue this onto our apple. So just going to push our apple pieces back in together. And then add our stem. And there we go. There is our apple art. Might roll away. That's okay. You just got to put them back together like a little puzzle. And you might want to hold your glue a little longer. I didn't hold mine very long, so he didn't get very stuck. And you could do this with tape as well, just whatever you have at home. So I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!